Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making jalapeno chicken chili pasta. For this I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil. Now first of all we will heat the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now meanwhile oil is heating, let me show you other ingredients. 1 cup of macaroni, you can use any shape of pasta. This is boiled. Jalapenos 1 tablespoon. 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. Sweet chili garlic sauce 4 tablespoons. Ketchup 4 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Salt to taste. 2 fresh red chilies. 2 green chilies. 250 grams of chicken. This is boiled and this is boneless. 1 onion chopped. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Okay, now oil is heated and we will add an onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And garlic. And now we will fry them together till onion is translucent. Okay, now onion is translucent and now we will add in chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And we will fry it well. Okay, now after frying chicken very well, we will add in all the spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chilies and all the sauces. Chili garlic sauce, hot sauce I have already added, and ketchup. And these jalapenos. Now we will stir them well. Now after mixing all the spices and sauces, lastly we will fold in pasta. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we have mixed in pasta also, and this yummy pasta is done in no time. Jalapeno chicken chili pasta is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.